Are you absolutely exhausted by wasting time managing paper bills every single month? Well, welcome to this explainer. Today, we are completely transforming how you handle your household expenses by revealing the game-changing ease of paying your National Grid bills online. Seriously, if you're a busy person trying to juggle a million things, this streamlined digital approach is an absolute game changer.
So here is our quick roadmap for today. We're going to cover the power of going digital, getting started online, making your payment, advanced payment options, troubleshooting common issues, and then we'll wrap up with a quick recap and next steps.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the power of going digital.
Look, we all know that sinking feeling, right? Seeing that giant stack of mail cluttering up the kitchen counter and having that lingering worry that a due date is going to get completely lost in the shuffle. Well, that is precisely the monster we are conquering today. It's literally like night and day. On one side, you've got the old manual way, postal delays, lost mail, and the hassle of manually writing out checks. But on the other side, a highly secure, instant digital ecosystem. You're getting anytime convenience, instant transaction confirmations, and honestly, just total peace of mind. Moving right along to Section 2, getting started online.
Okay, so the absolutely crucial first step before you even touch a keyboard is grabbing your 10-digit utility billing account number. And there's no guesswork needed here. You can easily spot it right on the top right corner of any recent paper statement, sitting right next to your active service zip code.
And the setup workflow? It's surprisingly simple. Just 5 straightforward steps. First, you gather those details we just mentioned, click Create My Account, and then map your address to the database. At step 4, the system steps in to protect your privacy with multi-factor verification, via quick text or phone call. Finally, you set your credentials. Quick pro tip for you here. Use a really robust mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to thoroughly lock that account down.
Now for the main event, Section 3, making your payment. When it's actually time to pay, you've got a couple of options to balance out your budget and timeline. Direct bank transfers using the encrypted ACH network are definitely the most cost-effective, since they carry zero convenience fees, though keep in mind they do take about 24 to 48 hours to clear. Need it paid right this second? You can absolutely use a credit card. Just be aware that it's processed through third parties like SpeedPay, so it will incur a small processing fee.
Now, for our viewers tuning in from the UK, things are just slightly customized. Over there, National Grid utilizes specialized portals like MySecurePay, as well as direct BACS bank transfers. For those, you'll simply need to grab your unique 7- or 8-digit reference number, which you can find right directly on your invoice.
Once you've got the basics down, let's look at Section 4, Advanced Payment Options.
Hands down, the best tool at your disposal is AutoPay, which is sometimes called Direct Pay. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it feature. It delivers absolute peace of mind by guaranteeing your utility bills are paid on time without a single second of manual intervention. It just automatically executes a recurring ACH debit for your full amount exactly on your due date.
And hey, if you prefer managing things on the go, National Grid's mobile app puts all of this power right in your pocket. It actually replaces those clunky passwords with super quick, highly secure biometric logins, like facial or fingerprint recognition. Right inside the app, you can view your PDF bills, schedule payments, and even report power or gas emergencies instantly.
Oh, and whatever you do, don't forget to activate paperless billing. Not only does it instantly cut down on the physical clutter in your home, but National Grid actually rewards you with a monthly financial credit right on your bill. So you're saving trees, and you are literally keeping more money in your wallet.
Okay, let's move to Section 5, troubleshooting common issues.
Have you ever hit a digital wall when you're just trying to clear your balance? Look, don't panic. Hiccups happen in any system, but the remedies here are incredibly straightforward. First off, always double-check for simple typing errors in that 10-digit account number and make sure your card details haven't expired. Honestly, sometimes a random web browser glitch is the main culprit, so clearing your cache can work wonders. But hey, if you're rushing to beat a deadline and simply can't log in, the platform offers this fantastic guest checkout feature. It lets you bypass the login screen entirely. You just punch in your account number and zip code, and boom, fast payment.
Which brings us to our final stop, Section 6, Recap and Next Steps.
As always, while this explainer gives you a really comprehensive framework to get started, you know how digital platforms are, they update. So please always verify the exact terms, new features, and your specific regional guidelines directly on the official National Grid portal to ensure your information is perfectly up to date.
By automating this monthly chore, you haven't just paid a bill. You've bought yourself back hours of precious time and completely crushed the stress of missed deadlines. So here's my question for you. How are you going to use the time and mental energy you just saved? Hit that subscribe button to join us for more explainers on optimizing your financial life.